In the bustling marketplace of Avani lived a young craftsman named Anya. Her hands were skilled, her mind inventive, and she dreamed of creating sculptures that would capture the spirit of the city. Anya, however, possessed a trait that often hindered her progress. She was quick to share every idea that sparked within her. Whenever inspiration struck, she'd enthusiastically describe her vision. A towering fountain of dancing figures, a series of masks reflecting different emotions, each piece a testament to her burgeoning talent. People loved Anya's enthusiasm. The merchants would nod encouragingly, the children would gaze in awe, and even the older artisans would offer critiques. Anya basked in the attention, feeling as if she were already sculpting masterpieces just by describing them. Yet her workshop remained largely empty. Half-finished projects lay scattered about, victims of fleeting inspiration and waning motivation. She'd start strong, fueled by the initial excitement, but the follow-through often eluded her. One sweltering afternoon, Anya encountered Master Ilara, a renowned sculptor whose works adorned the city's most prominent squares. Ilara, known for her quiet demeanor and profound artistry, watched Anya animatedly describing her latest project to a group of onlookers. Later, Ilara approached Anya. "Your words paint vivid pictures, child," she said gently. "But tell me, where are the sculptures themselves?" Anya, deflated, confessed her struggles. "I feel so inspired when I envision them, Master Ilara, but somehow the passion fades before I can truly create." Ilara smiled knowingly. "Come, let me share a lesson." She led Anya to a small, dusty plot of land behind her workshop. "Here," she said, handing Anya a tiny seed. "This seed holds the potential for a mighty tree. But what happens if you stand here and shout its destiny to the world every day? Describe its branches, its leaves, its fruit. Will it grow faster?" Anya frowned. "Of course not. It needs to be planted, nurtured in silence. It needs time and care." Ilara nodded. "Your ideas are like these seeds. Every time you voice them before they've taken root, you scatter their energy. The seed expends its strength trying to fulfill the image you've already painted, instead of drawing energy from the earth." Anya began to understand. "So, I should keep my ideas to myself?" "Not entirely," Ilara clarified. "Think of it like this. Whisper your dreams to the seed of your intention. Tend to it with quiet focus and determined action. Only when the sapling is strong enough, show it to the sun. Share your accomplishments, not your aspirations." From that day forward, Anya changed her approach. She still allowed herself moments of joyous vision, but instead of immediately broadcasting them, she would retreat to her workshop and translate those images into tangible form. She practiced the art of silent labor. She researched her materials, experimented with techniques, and relentlessly refined her craft. She whispered her intentions to the clay and let the work itself speak. Slowly, steadily, her workshop began to fill with sculptures. Each piece bore the mark of her dedication and focused energy. The fountain emerged, not as a fleeting idea, but as a breathtaking reality. The masks captured not just emotions, but stories of resilience and hope. Word of Anya's transformation spread throughout Avani. People no longer praised her for her ideas, but marveled at her creations. When asked about her journey, Anya would simply smile, gesturing to her sculptures. "Let them tell the story," she'd say. Years later, Anya became a master artisan in her own right. She taught her students the importance of both vision and action, of nurturing their dreams in silence, and allowing their art to be their most powerful voice. Before dismissing the potential of an idea, try taking one small step today toward bringing it to life. Plant that seed. See what grows. Her legacy proved that true inspiration thrives in the fertile ground of dedicated effort, and that the most compelling stories are those told not with words, but with the language of creation.